Hey guys, Joe here again. Valley Wise Exteriors. We found ourselves a perfect section of roof here. This is exactly the type of roof that we can show a proper technique for. So let's take our little broom and we're gonna go right here and bring it down. Okay, light action. We're just one-handed here, as there's no weight on this broom. Okay. Up like this. We're just gonna knock down the big stuff. Okay, once again, there's no force, there's no upward action, there's none of that. Okay, now we've got this little bit here like this. Okay, right, we've agitated it. Now from this point you're gonna look at this and say, but there's still moss up here. Okay, here's where a little lesson comes in about acrocarpus moss versus pleurocarpus moss. Won't we take off more of that? The answer is no. No, we're not. We're going to leave that bit. We're going to spray it. And why? Let's go find out. So, this moss here is all horizontally on your shingle. Now, if we grab this and you give it a pull, you see how we aren't leaving any of the moss on the roof? But look at all the granules moving. Look at that. Look at this. This, over many applications, now we're not going to do that anymore for this poor homeowner here. But this moss here, don't broom it, because all you're going to do is pull the granules off. This is what you spray. Knowing the types of moss, or that's pleurocarpus, it's laying flat. The acrocarpus, like this little one there, you've got this one, this is acrocarpus. See how it wants to come right off? This one, acrocarpus, see, comes right off. These ones, pleurocarpus. See how they're on there? They do not want to come off. We're going to broom it lightly still, but that's why, guys, same day clean for your roof means you're losing thousands of these granules that you do not want to lose. So let's do it right. Let's protect the roof. Longevity here is the key.